Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another Daily October video. In today's video, I'm going to be making some vegan chai spice microwavable muffins. So yeah, let's just get started. Basically, I'm just putting all of the ingredients into this one mixing bowl, which I love because it's super simple. So yeah, I'm just adding all of the ingredients in. Olive oil is the last ingredient, and then I'm going to put in actually an ingredient that I made myself, which is chai spice. I put it in this cute little jar, but I found a recipe online to make your own chai spice, so I'm just going to add that to make the chai spice muffins. Once you've stirred everything up and you like how it tastes, it is ready to go and put into your mugs. So I chose 2 mugs to put the mixture into. You want to fill the mugs only halfway so that the muffin dough has room to rise inside the mug. So I'm just filling them both up halfway. They are ready to go. I decided to only prepare one of the mugs and save the other one for later. I ended up microwaving mine for about 1.5 minutes, and that was perfect. And now I'm just going to sprinkle some brown sugar on top for a little extra sweetness. And that is it. Super simple, it took barely any time, and it's delicious. Enjoyed this video, and I will see you on Monday for the last Daily October video. Bye!